Aven's new 18-inch FlexArm stands provide a versatile alternative to bulky, space-consuming microscope stands. Perfect for benchtop applications where space is at a premium, the FlexArm is available with either a clamp type or magnetic base, giving you almost limitless options for placement of your video inspection device. The FlexArm's 3/4-inch spring steel alloy makes for a semi-rigid, high-strength, flexible 18-inch arm. Flexible enough to be bent into almost any position or angle, but rigid enough to stay where you put it. The rubberized PVC cover protects the arm from damage, provides an easily cleanable surface, and prevents dust, dirt, or grime buildups that could affect the FlexArm's performance. Adding to the versatility of the FlexArm is a ball and socket 1/4-inch standard threaded camera mount. Because this mount is universal, any standard microscopy camera with a 1/4-inch threaded opening can be mounted to the arm, as well as an SLR or pocket-type zoom camera or action camera. The ball and socket joint allows for fine-tuning your positioning of the inspection system to give you just the right angle. Aven 18-inch FlexArm stands will make you rethink your video inspection problems and see the possibilities from any angle.